This is actually filmed in November, but we are gonna go to the Santa train that they have here in town, and Maddie and Tay are supposed to be singing, so I'm gonna take you guys along. So we're here. Maddie and Tay, I think, are about to go on in a little while. I put my sunglasses on because it's very sunny and very warm outside today. But yeah, I'll film a little bit for you guys.
A beautiful day. God gave us the most beautiful day and safety all the way down here. This Maddie and Tay made a splash with their debut single, Girl in a Country Song.
Hey everyone, how we doing?
It's Maddie and Tay, take it away.
All right. Well, thank y'all so much for having us out. We've had so much fun on the Santa train, just all the magic of Christmas. I know it's not even Thanksgiving yet, but we're in Christmas land now.
Never too early for Christmas spirit,
Yeah.
all right? I decorated my house for Christmas on November 2nd. So.
Yeah, we're not playing
No
around.
judgment here.
It's called No Place Like You.
Oklahoma, sweet magnolia, Kansas over my right shoulder, Bennett strings down in New Orleans. Everywhere I go, I see a smile. I wish I could see yours once in a while. And the sun comes up and it sinks back down on every five-star dream in every two-star town. There's a lot to see from a wishing view, but sometimes I wish I could close my eyes and click my shoes. 'Cause there's no place like you, no place like you, no place like you. Keep on climbing all the ground, my shade. Just keep on reaching on the limb, my brain. We've come this far, don't you be scared now, 'cause you can learn to fly on the way down.
Dude, we love y'all, but we gotta stand up for the girls. Take it away, Shayna.
Well, I wish I had some shoes on my two bare feet. It's getting kind of cold and these painted on cut-off jeans. I hate the way this bikini top shakes. Do I really have to wear it all day? Yeah, baby, I hear you over there on your tailgate whistling, saying, hey girl, but you know I ain't listening. 'Cause I got a name, and to you it ain't pretty little thing. How do you, baby, it's driving me red, 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 redneck crazy. Being the girl in a country song, how in the world did it go so wrong? Like all we're good for is looking good for you and your friends on the weekend, nothing more. We used to get a little respect, now we're lucky if we even get to climb up in your truck, keep our mouth shut and ride along, and be the girl in a country song. Conway and George Strait never did it this way back in the old days. Oh yeah, we ain't a cliche, that ain't no way to treat a lady. Like a girl in a country song, how in the world did it go so wrong? Like all we're good for is on the weekend. Nothing more. We used to get a little respect. Now we're lucky if we even get to climb up in your truck. Keep our mouth shut right along. Down some other road we don't even wanna be on. And be the girl in a country song. Oh no. Thank you so much for having us out.
Let's hear it for Maddie and Tay.
We're at the mall, and Zeke is insane. He likes to go up and down the escalators. I guess it's fun for him. So let's see if he wants to go back up again. He probably does. Back up the escalators for a 3,000th time. What we said. No. Zeke, do you like this? Zeke, is this fun? Yeah, he loves it. I'm back home and I'm gonna wrap some presents. So I'm going to time lapse that for you guys. Okay, those are the 2 presents that I wrapped for the night. I love this nutcracker wrapping paper. It's so cute. And then Paw Patrol wrapping paper. So those are the 2 Christmas presents that I've got so far. I got a lot more shopping to do, but I've just only got 2 Christmas presents so far. So those I wrapped. But I think that's gonna be all for this vlog. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!